When you read the Quran of Surah Baqarah, it begins with Alif Laam Meem. What does it mean? So there is no explanation given in Sahih Hadith of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, neither in the Quran, neither did the Khulafai Rashidin give any explanation about it, neither did any Sahabi give any explanation about it, neither any of the four great Imams gave any explanation about it, neither did any prominent, pious, righteous wali of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ever tried to explain it. The meaning of it, except Allah, nobody knows. And if we try to make a research on the meaning, we are wasting our time. Why are we wasting our time? It's very simple. Had it been important that the people shall know the meaning of Alif Laam Meem, then the first person to explain it would have been Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself. If the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not explain, it is very clear that the Rasul of Allah, who is on a mission to explain everything about Islam, he has not explained because he knew it is not important to know the meaning of Alif Laam Meem.